Hi, I'm Ashley, a licensed orthopedic massage therapist here in Pennsylvania. I specialize in chronic pain and autoimmune diseases. The following videos are made for my clients who have been prepped with how to use them. Each client is different and will have varying weights, reps, and more that has already been discussed with them. These videos are intended as a complimentary addition to your wellness routine. If you have any questions, please contact your doctor or therapist. I hope these videos are a great addition to your wellness routine. If you are in the Lancaster, Pennsylvania area and want to schedule a session with Tranquil Therapy, please visit our website in the description below. Until next time.